One una man believe ni ya bo Owerri. Eba ifo na bo Owerri bi ya. Ne oza ifo now this say heaven. Una watch now. Owerri bi ya o. One Owerri amaka o. Owerri is heaven. Beautiful. Negodu goes to wait about the very clean, the very beautiful. Gozo ye ifeto toma mananya. Diko bodo madubi. One ye de madema. Ye maluma makonya sini ye de madu yamma. In fact, unya ama yo chozi nowhere. Diko na open aga lozo ndi ozoko di kuwe tu ebeni ade like this. Imano na heaven canos. This is beautiful. I love it.
Honestly, Owerri is quietly turning into something very interesting. So, Governor Hope Uzodimma made a post recently, and let's just say it wasn't one of those regular politician updates. No big grammar, we know the show for ground. This one came with serious, real evidence. He talked about the Emmanuel Iwanyanwu International Conference Center, and you know that massive structure they've been building in Owerri. Yes, this particular one. That place, or rather, this place is no longer just an idea. It's actually beginning to look like something big is about to happen there. And that's not even all. The Concorde Hilton Hotel. Hey, this abandoned project, that once iconic hotel in Owerri that many thought was long gone, it's currently undergoing serious renovation as we speak, like smart, clean, classy transformation. You need to see the new look. It choke. And guess what? These projects are not just for fun or show or decoration. The governor said it clearly. This is strategic infrastructure. It's all about attracting investors, boosting tourism, hosting international events, and yes, creating jobs for the people. Now wait, before you scroll, here's the sweetest twist of it all. Cubana chief priest, hey, the money now water man. Yes, our own very celebrity hype man, money man, energy god, was spotted during the governor's visit, and that really caught people's attention. And he didn't come for his usual showbiz. This time, he was doing something very Cubana-like, quietly whispering and gesturing among some well-dressed men. People were even speculating probably he's trying to market the hotel already, probably pitching deals, bookings, maybe even sponsorships. We don't know for sure, but if you know Cubana chief priest, you know he doesn't show up without a money move loading kind of attitude. Like seriously, what's cooking behind the scenes? You can just feel it. Owerri is slowly but surely falling back to place, and Imolites are loving it already. The vibe, the direction, the attention to detail, even the governor's energy is on a different level this time around. So let me ask you, is Imo State setting the pace in the southeast in terms of hospitality right now? Could this be the kind of transformation we want to see across other states? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
This hotel. So a lot of investors are excited. A lot of residents can't wait to see the magic people are doing to come true. Past administrations have done renovations in this hotel.
Because please,
but the excitement and what you guys have done alone was huge. So I want to encourage you. I came here earlier today, so you guys are in the meeting. You need to do more. The good work is already speaking for itself. We can see him through the seasons, what's coming up and everything. So I'm waiting for you guys. I can rock the city together. Yes, so history will be fair to you guys.
Yes, sir.